Most Koreans probably remember eating dalgona when they were young. So today, I made milk coffee using dalgona from the Squid Game at home. To make dalgona milk coffee, you have to make dalgona first. All you need to prepare for dalgona is sugar, baking soda, and water. It's simple. Then let's make dalgona. Bring sugar and water to a boil in a 2-to-1 ratio. The point is to boil until the sugar melts and all the water evaporates. Turn off the burner and add baking soda when the sugar turns slightly yellow. The reason why you have to turn off the burner is because it burns. Baking soda should be about 1/20th of the amount of sugar. Add baking soda and stir quickly. For example, 200 g of sugar would be 100 g of water and 10 g of baking soda. As you can see in the video, I put paper on it, but it's better not to use it. I failed because the paper and dalgona stuck together. So I made it again. When the dalgona is done, I'm going to harden it for about an hour and put it on top as a milk coffee topping, so break it into a proper size. And please make some powder so that it melts well in milk coffee. If Dalgona is ready, prepare coffee, ice, and milk. Pour milk into a cup with ice first and put the prepared Dalgona on top. Before that, please add Dalgona powder first. Dalgona powder melts quickly, so it makes coffee sweet. Then, put Dalgona on top as a topping. Lastly, pour the coffee. Then, sweet Dalgona milk coffee is done. Everyone can make it easily at home. Try it. Then I will try to introduce various Korean foods next time. Thank you for watching the video. Go ahead and hit like button and subscribe to my channel to get more content. And make sure to leave a comment and click this bell to get notification and share this video with your friend.